Hello everyone. I have created this weather application with the help of React and using the Open Weather API as a part of project. So this is the main user interface of this project, and there is a search bar where the user can enter the location and search the weather of that particular destination. So for example, I am searching the temperature for the Mumbai. So while entering the detail in the search bar, the detail will be fetched here and the location and the temperature will be shown here, and there will be 28 degrees Celsius and details such as humidity, pressure, visibility. This will display here, and there is also a hourly based forecast for 4 different times of the same days, and day wise also there is a forecast. So here it will show the temperature of the upcoming days, and if user want to change the temperature in Celsius to Fahrenheit, just clicking on this icon it will be changed. So we can see that it is currently showing in the Celsius. All the details in the temperature is Celsius. If I click this, it will be changed to Fahrenheit. So as we can see that this has changed, and this thing is also changed, all of the temperature, and we can search for any of the locations. So currently it is showing in the Fahrenheit, 79 degree Fahrenheit, and if I click on this, it will be again changed to the uh, Celsius. So coming to the coding part, this is the main src folder, and my approach was to create the parent component. So I have used this app component as a parent, and I have used the two child component. First one is the this search component, and the second one is a forecast component. So basically this container is a search component, and this one is the forecast component, and both the child are rendering in this app component, which act as a parent component. So in the search component I have fetched the API. So all the details such as the temperature and the other details, pressures, all are displayed in this search container, and after that I am lifting the state. I am sharing the data from one child to another child. So I um, I have used this function here, weather update, where all the details from the search container search component will be passed to parent component in the app.js. And when the data is passed here using these hooks, when the data will become here, so it will be passed as props to the forecast component, and this data will be displayed in the forecast component also. So here is the forecast component. So forecasting details will be passed through the props in the forecast component, and all the details will be displayed here. So this is the main UI, and with the help of two child component and one parent component, I have made this this act as a both a child component, and the main is a parent component. And I have used the state lifting process, where the fetching API in this search component will be displayed these basic details, and after that data will be passed, and in the forecast section all the detail will be displayed. Okay, thank you. This application is also responsive. uh, See, when there is a screen width is lower than desired, so it will change the shape according to it. Okay, thank you.